Hey everybody, welcome. This is Wendy. I'm excited to share a fun and simple card with you today. I'm going to be using the Amazing Congratulations stamp set from the 2018 Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog. FYI, if you don't have a catalog and you want one, you can request one from me by going to my website at loveandstampin.com, click on catalogs, and then request a catalog. Okay, we are going to jump into the project today. It is really simple, and using the new Stamparatus tool from Stampin' Up! Makes it even easier. So I'm using Melon Mambo, Pumpkin Pie, and Memento Tuxedo Black ink along with the Amazing Congratulations stamp set. And I've got my Stamparatus tool here and it's all set up and ready. And the cool thing about the Stamparatus that kind of separates it from other tools that are stamp positioning tools is that it has two separate plates that you can use both sides of, and it just pops right in and out of the side. So really handy tool. I do have the Misty tool as well, and when I'm just needing one stamp in the same place over and over, I actually just use my Misty. But when I'm doing a project like this, I grab the Stamparatus because I will show you right here. Okay, so obviously I positioned all these stamps and put them on the acrylic plates prior to starting the video. And sorry about the camera shake here. What happened is I realized that the camera was still plugged in and it was in my way. My video camera doesn't keep a charge for very long, so I had to unplug it. Anyway, moving back to the card at hand. So then I'm using the Memento Tuxedo Black ink on both of these images on the same side. So look, I can do an image here and an image to the side and stamp both. And then I'm able to pull out the plate, flip it around, put it back in, and do my inking and stamping with the Melon Mambo. So, and then of course on the other side I'll do the Pumpkin Pie, and you'll see that there as well. So this stamp set has lots of steps, and you can see here where I've stamped it down, and I could see that there was a couple spots that didn't quite get all the ink, and I just stamped it again. The one thing that some demonstrators have been noticing about the Stamparatus tool is that it seems to not do a great job of touching down in that top corner there where the two plates come together. I really haven't had a problem with it because I've been used to using the Misty, and I just, I just push a little harder. But there is a little bit of a difference. So you do have to just give it a little extra push. You will be able to purchase the Stamparatus in June when the new catalog launches. It's not available right now to anybody except those that were part of the L2L team with Stampin' Up. So I was on the Leader to Leader team with Stampin' Up who worked on creating this item. And so I was able to purchase it early. Some people were reserved a Stamparatus early and they'll get theirs in March. We did have that happening in December. So if you missed out on that, I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's the scoop with the Stamparatus tool. Okay, so I had a piece of 4 1/4 by 11 inch not designer paper, Whisper White cardstock thick, and folded it in half. And then I had a piece of Melon Mambo cut at 4 1/8 and by 5 3/8. And then I just layered down this last piece, and that's it. That's my whole card. And it just says, congratulations, you couldn't be more amazing. And I made these for my team members. So if you're interested in becoming part of the Lovely Stampers team, I'd love to have you join. You can find details about that over at my website at loveandstampin.com. These are 2 more videos that you could watch from me. Also, you could click on the circle with my face in it to subscribe. Thanks for hanging out. Bye-bye.